rolling or something.
I straight up heard you from fucking Wawa. I was like, I guess he's coming. Your shit's looking clean too. It's nice. Have you ever done this before? Yeah. All right, well then good. My confidence is going up then. Because I've never done this before. I think the only time I've ever done this is I went to AutoZone and I bought like the cheapy boys. And then I fucking kind of just like 3M taped them in myself and just had the wire exposed everywhere. It looks like shit. Of course it fits it. They fucking said it fits it. How could Amazon fucking lie to me? It said it fit it. I don't know, dog.
Where'd you put that?
This one? Yeah. There it is.
The door open. It's cold.
The fucking windows are open. What difference?
My feet aren't cold.
Fucking shut. For the longer screws?
I like the push lights.
What? No. I was like, I shaved. What do you mean? You'll find the clip. Don't worry.
Is it your cat?
What?
The necklace dog.
Oh, yeah. Cat that passed away. You can do it. You can do it.
How are you supposed to do something you can't feel your fingertips?
What do you mean?
I'm freezing, dog.
It's so nice out. It's beautiful out. It's the fucking nicest day ever. They said the weather was gonna hold up real nice. I think they said a high. I think they
Par for France.
Yeah, they said the high of 20 today. Nice. Now all we want to do is just tighten that slut down.
I don't think it's gonna tighten down.
It might. All right. What clip should I put right now in the video? Right here. I'm gonna pause the video and put a clip. Go. What clip? Yeah. What's your favorite clip? Go.
I don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna put a clip right here. What is it?
There is no clip, dog.
Put a clip. Go. Any clip you want.
Oh no, my weapons.
All right.
Oh no, my weapons. All right, we're gonna break a Lexus.
No, not. Come on, I never get used to that sound. Not like we didn't just drywall fucking side skirts and shit into my fucking car.
No big deal.
Just Lexus. Oogie, oogie, oogie. Yeah, I can fucking kind of see your penis through the mirror a little bit. It's nice.
I don't want to break the windshield because it's so cold out.
Wait, that's a thing?
Yeah.
What? Did it pop out? Alright, so it popped out. Is that Bob?
Oh, it is. Trying to break his shit too.
Yeah, we gotta install a mirror on his car.
Homie.
Installing the mirror today?
My back seat.
Hell yeah, we're gonna fucking install that mirror today. Why does everybody's car look fucking crusty? So if you guys don't know, fucking fucking Bob got fucking sideswiped, unfortunately, and the guy just kind of took off, right? So his mirror fucking disappeared. There's all fucking wires hanging. So now we're gonna install a new mirror today. Excited? So excited.
This guy,
Yeah, but it matches your hat though. Like you guys are matching right now. Fucking just popped right out. That's nice.
dropped your pocket.
You dropped your pocket. Did you beat off today?
Yeah. Like 7 times.
Are the keys in here? Staying.
Straight palm.
You might have to turn the dial. No, on the side. There you go. Is it working? Not working. So then maybe we're in the wrong. Well, maybe if you turned on the car a little bit more. Nice. Hey! R2D2's back on, baby!
Face isn't working.
What do you mean? No, no, you have it flipped. Flip it. Flip the fuck. No, the other fucking way. There you go.
Oh, fuck.
Clean up the wires. Well, what's the worst that could happen? You gotta undo your work because you forgot a trim piece. That's so nice. Very clean. No wires, no nothing. No muss, no fuss, no.
Coconuts.
I'm gonna assume this is your first time doing this.
Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah, I looked up some YouTube videos.
Yeah, YouTube it. Yeah, they fucked you a little bit, unfortunately. But that's okay. You still got your gray monkey. Let's see if it works. Oh, we still gotta mount it. So you just plugged it in? Oh, the blinker works! Does it really? Yeah.
Can you move it?
Adjust the movement.
It moves?
Yeah.
Move it.
Yeah, it's
Keep
moving.
moving it.
Yeah, it's moving. We're golden, baby!
That should be it.
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
3, 4.
I just got the
There we go.
little butt plug in here. Put that bad shit in there. Everything's plugged in.
Oh, I forgot we got tweeters there.
So that pushes down like that. And this should clip right in, but it's not going to. No piece of shit anymore.
Nah, it still does.
Of course. I got them all in except the bottom one. It's fucked up. This isn't the worst part.
Look at the color difference.
I mean, it looks good. Bob, I'm proud of you, buddy. We got that mirror on, baby. We're back in business. Oh shit, Beach. It's an LED strip. Yes. Pull it?
Pull the wire.
I don't want to pull it.
Pull it. No, you don't gotta pull it.
Okay. Installing foot lighting in the Lexus. Let's go. Is this Tundra still driving? This Tundra's just been fucking whipping down my neighborhood.
He's flying there. I think it was Di
That was so
Maria at the
fucking
end that
low.
he
Oh, yeah,
goes up to try to get it. Yeah, climbs over the back of Romero initially and then Di Maria.
That was wet.
How's it cold as ice, bro? You're in fucking Qatar. I'm in New Jersey.
It's like 90.
It's like 20 degrees outside right now. What's the
Oh, it's more of a fucking groan because it's a pain in my fucking ass.
Hang your ass. Did that work? Are you still trying to finagle it?
Sticking, so I'm trying to make sure it's straight.
Right. I haven't seen anybody wear Volcom jeans since fucking high school.
Is that what they are?
Yeah.
Sweet.
You getting fucking laid in those things or what?
Balling out, bro.
We out here. We got EJ. Church decided to fucking pull up. What's up, Church's car? We got fucking Bob. We got the Lex. We in this bitch. Why do you have an ice pack?
Lunchbox.
One-
Underneath that.
Oh, is this the lunchbox?
There's that one and the one underneath.
Oh, the Eagles won?
Yeah.
Did the Eagles win?
They play on Sunday.
That's today.
Yeah. They play 1 o'clock. Oh yeah. Electrify my dick.
Emiliano Martinez has still not faced a shot in Argentina's goal.
Argentina! This shit does not fucking stick. It's a fucking pain in the dick. Sucks ass. Well, we might have to zip tie him up. Not a big deal. Because the fucking 3M tape isn't really working too well. But...
This is Clinton's idea, by the way.
What?
This is Clinton's
No,
idea,
this
by
is
the way.
EJ's idea.
No,
This is not
no
my idea.
I'm not zip tying this shit.
Fucking zip tie. We use drywall screws. We're using zip ties. This is
Fucking, it's a Lexus.
It's a Lexus. I'm not happy. I should not be doing this shit. Alright, so we'll fucking zip tie this Johnny up. Doesn't look terrible, actually. It looks pretty clean. I mean, once we cut it and fucking mount it, you're not even gonna fucking notice. No one's gonna know. Does the fucking lights work? No. Oh. What about the other side? Oh. So you can't even fucking notice it. No, you didn't. Looks good. See, you can't even notice it. All right, so I'll show you guys what we're doing here. So,
Zip tying drywall screw in a Lexus.
yeah, the sticky wasn't working, so we zip tied it up.
Clinton's idea.
It was EJ's idea, but I think it looks good. EJ's got good ideas. Barely can notice it. Feed the wire through. We're gonna run the wire up.
How much was this car?
Huh? I think I had it vertical, like up and down, but kind of like, yeah, kind of like that.
I don't want to rip this wire out because it's not there.
How was church?
I don't know, I was only there for 20 minutes.
Then why'd you even fucking go? Why not hang out with the fucking boys?
I had to go. Show my face.
We'll see. We'll see it. The box. Fragile.
Yeah, it must be Italian.
Oh, it's carbon fiber? Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, it's nice.
Hey now. No, it's A now.
Way.
2-2, baby. 8-minute ahead.
Extra time. Or can they get messy one more moment before the end? Enzo Fernandez lifting it long towards Acuna. Kunde heads it away. Held in by Taliafico. The return, Taliafico.
My man just stole that wing. Yo, put that shit right on your car. Actually, it's pretty good. All right, drill it. How much fucking drywall screws do we need for this one? Actually,
I had to put some plexiglass. Oh yeah,
Take the deflection and it does go by for a fresh corner. Things like go on to take 94th minute. Still 4 minutes to go.
I'm showing your mom that.
Obviously.
What do you mean? You're not going to see all this 3M.
But still.
It
looks like
it looks great.
Just release some pressure.
Oh, she's got a wing. Oh, she's got a wing.
So unbelievably hard.
Well, that's... what? Who's hard?
I will be after, but this thing.
Fitment Industries. 5'8 Industries.
Hello?
Steeda. Stop.
Take over.
The moment of truth. All the 3M is peeled off. Can we stick it on?
I just lined it up. Whoa.
Full send. Full send. Full send. Full send. Full send. Just hold it. Full send. Full send. I'll put my elbow on this one. Full send. It's too late now. It's too late
No,
now.
it's flush. We're good. It's flush. Yep.
You want to hear a secret?
What?
My spoiler's not even, so it's fine.
Yeah, but I'm so
Idiot.
OCD, anal retentive type of person. I need to have it flush and centered proper.
I have my elbow on it. It looks really good.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, the carbon fiber lip is definitely what you need for sure.
I got a well, it's carbon fiber. That's coming soon.
I love the rise on it. Like it fucking sits really nice. Fucking A, dog. Purple, obviously. But...
Those aren't that bad.
Oh. That's nice.
Yo,
You can even see them during the day.
That's just gonna...
Yes!
I just won me some money, baby. That man just got naked.
Argentina fucking won, church!